In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze a column in Notion. If you work with wide tables in Notion, you know how easy it is to lose track of important information as you scroll. Freezing a column keeps key details, like a name or an 499, locked in place on the left while you move across the rest of your data. It's a simple change that makes big tables much easier to read and navigate. First, make sure you are looking at your database in a table view. This feature is designed for data-heavy tables, not simple text tables. If you are seeing a different layout, such as a board or calendar, switch to the table view from the view selector at the top. You'll know you are in the right place if you see column headers running across the top and rows of entries underneath. Next, decide which column you want to keep visible while you scroll. A good rule of thumb is to freeze the column that helps you identify each row at a glance. When you are ready, click directly on the header of that column to open its property menu. This is the small menu that appears when you interact with a column title, and it's where you adjust settings for that specific property. In the menu, choose Freeze Up to Column. The wording here matters. Notion will freeze everything from the far left column up to and including the one you selected. That means if you pick the third column, columns 1 through 3 will stay pinned to the left, and the rest of your table will scroll to the right. If you need a different set of columns frozen, you can first reorder your columns by dragging their headers. Then apply the freeze again. Once frozen, try scrolling horizontally. You'll notice the pinned columns remain in place, giving you constant context while you explore the rest of your data. This setting is saved with the view, so you won't have to redo it each time you return. If you change your mind or no longer need the columns pinned, unfreezing is just as easy. Click the header of a frozen column to open the same property menu and select Unfreeze Column. Your table will return to its normal scrolling behavior, and all columns will move together again. If you don't see the freeze option, double-check that you are in a database table view and not using a basic table block. Refreshing the page or switching views and back can also help the menu appear correctly. That's all you need to freeze and unfreeze columns in Notion. Thanks for watching.